let's talk about PBB, specifically to big intensity challenge nila. Some of the housemates couldn't answer those simple questions. Yung sabi nga ni Shuvi, even high school students can answer that. I have to defend defend those housemates na hindi nakasagot. Kasi, first of all, not everyone likes Filipino subject. Tanong nyo yung mga kapatid nyo or mga pinsan nyo or mga pamangkin nyo. They really don't like Filipino subject. Honestly, yes, that's very shocking. Very shocking to me at first. Kasi nasa pinakamadali na subject natin yan eh. But for them, it's very boring. Yeah, they say it. Very boring. So, we cannot guarantee talaga na ng mga students na yon, yung mga housemates na yon, hindi talaga kabisado yung East, West, North, Silangan, Kanluran, Timog, Hilaga. It's not because 880 sila, but because they don't have that interest to the subject. We cannot blame the school itself because I'm pretty sure the school gave them all the access. And we have internet, we can search anything everywhere. Given the plus na may pressure dun sa game, nagmamadali tayo based on hours, based on the oras na tumatakbo. Hihirapan ka din talaga, ma-mental block ka talaga. Hindi ka talaga makasagot. So stop spreading negativity towards the housemates kasi hindi ganun kadali. And not everyone knows everything. So please be kind to your comments. Yun.